government should give the people a constitution. A constitution by the people, for the people, beneficial to the honest.
Zambia has always been a haven of peace. But what is peace without justice? The new constitution, when enacted, will guarantee justice in Zambia. We need to reduce the excessive powers of those we vote into office in Zambia. The majority in society must be the bosses and not the other way.
I wish to state that the president is extremely powerful under the current constitution in terms of controlling all the three arms of government. He has an inbuilt majority in parliament by his appointments of opposition and also cabinet ministers. He has the power to appoint a tribunal to dismiss judges upon a recommendation of a tribunal. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that he exerts influence over the judiciary. So for as long as we trust in this man who has so much power under the current institution and processes, then we are going the wrong way.
To all our January 2015 presidential aspiring candidates, guarantee us an immediate enactment of the new constitution during your campaigns. When you win the presidency, we will hold you accountable. Otherwise, remember, no new constitution, no vote. This message is brought to you by the Grand Coalition for a People-Driven Constitution.
The government should give the people